Hi friends, I'm Sophie, welcome back to the channel. And if you're joining us for the first time, I'm so glad you're here. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon, so you never miss our thoughtful fashion updates. Today's collection is all about calm living and easy elegance. Clothes should feel like a natural part of your day, soft, balanced, and ready for every moment. That's why we've chosen fabrics with care, cool cotton that keeps you fresh, gentle linen that feels soothing, and smooth blends that move with your natural rhythm from morning to night. The designs celebrate quiet style, relaxed fits, soft textures, and subtle details that let your own confidence shine. Whether you're heading to work, enjoying a slow weekend, or spending time at home, these outfits move with your life and never get in the way. And remember, the first layers you wear set the foundation for everything. When they're soft and well-fitted, every piece you add on top feels even better. If this collection inspires you, like this video, share it with someone who values mindful style, and subscribe for more fashion created with care. Stay comfortable, stay true, because real style always feels like you.